election season as the big netas brawl, as our khadi-clad hopefuls get knee-deep in the dirt of the big room. There's unprecedented glitter on the dusty road to power. Stars aren't new to Rajneeti, but 2014 will go down in the Indian history as seeing the largest number of celebrities take the big plunge.
I stand for the youth. I have the energy to be here for the next 20 years, fight the good fight. And I'm willing to offer my youth to this city.
लहरें तो आती हैं, चली जाती हैं, साहिल से टकरा कर खत्म हो जाती हैं. हम तो समंदर बनने आए रहने के लिए, ईमानदारी का लोगों के साथ में. और वो कविता है ना, बहुत बड़ी प्यारी सी कि लहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की हार नहीं.
स्वच्छ मथुरा, सुंदर मथुरा, which is not there. And for the past so many years, so many people have been here. And none of them have done anything. I feel very sad. So they just only are interested in their position. But you utilize that position for the work, for the seva, for the people.
I love you, Sri Rampur. Amra ami bhalobashi, Sri Rampur ke. Bapida is a pratinidhi of the crowd, of the Sri Rampur Janta. I think so. People, if love Bapi Lahiri, this kind of love, then I think so. I will win. Definitely.
अगर आपको यहाँ पर भी पैर हिलाना है, वहाँ पर भी पैर हिलाना है, काम नहीं चलेगा. आपको अगर बाहरी क्षेत्र दिया गया है, कहीं मिरर से दिया गया है, तो फिल्म इंडस्ट्री बसती है मुंबई में. आपको मुंबई में रहना पड़ेगा. उसमें या तो आप उसको जायज़ी तरीके से टाइम दें, या तो इसको टाइम दें. और अगर इसको टाइम देना है, तो आपको उसको त्याग देना पड़ेगा.
कि भारत माता है पीड़ा में और यह पीड़ा की मूरत है. सारा देश पुकार रहा है, बस मोदी की जरूरत है.
I said politics and music for me is not that very different. It's connecting with the audience. Yeah. So my song then, which got me to them, I would say the same thing. कहो ना प्यार है. मैं ये नहीं कहूँगा कि कहो ना वोट है. I'll still say कहो ना प्यार है. I want their love. कहो ना प्यार है, कहो ना प्यार है.
From old-timers like Shatrughan Sinha, Raj Babbar and Hema Malini to debutantes Kiran Kher, Gul Panag, Munmun Sen, several stars have jumped into electoral politics, this time to try their luck, adding glamour to the battle for power. The never-before blitz of well-known faces makes the 2014 battle easily India's most high-profile election ever. One of the most interesting cinematic political battle is taking place in Chandigarh. Locking horns are actress Gul Panag, fighting for the Aam Aadmi Party, and veteran actress Kiran Kher, a Lok Sabha candidate from BJP.
मैं घर से लड़ रही हूँ. चंडीगढ़ मेरा घर है. मैं चंडीगढ़ की बेटी हूँ, हिमाचल की बहू हूँ. मेरे को 100% उम्मीद है कि सारे मेरे भाई बहने मेरे साथ खड़े तो नहीं जीतूंगी. दम के चोट पे जीत के जाएंगे.
And as expected, ever since the two have hit the battlefield, there have been some very entertaining catfights. Apart from clashing with each other, these two dimpled beauties have hit the campaigning road with full enthusiasm.
I'm here to stay in Chandigarh. I have moved to Chandigarh. I'm from Chandigarh. I'm born in Chandigarh. So I'm in Chandigarh to stay. What Kiranji, has her plans, I suggest you ask her. But as far as I'm concerned, I can only speak for myself. I have been associated with work that I've been doing through my foundation here on gender issues. So for me to be associated with things that affect society in Chandigarh is not a new thing. I come here regularly. I'm here once a month in the past 10 years, and like I said, I'm going to be living here now onwards. My only issue here is that the BJP and the Congress party have controlled the municipal corporation of Chandigarh, which is like a microcosm of the country, for years, and have literally ruled over it like lords. We have to change that. And here's the thing. The people of Chandigarh have a mind of their own. They are not going to get swept aside by any wave. This is a highly educated voter base. This is a special city. It's one of the most planned cities in the world, as we know, and it is a leader as far as India is concerned. And I can assure you, the people of Chandigarh will not get swayed by rhetoric. They will not get swayed by any wave. They have a mind of their own, and they are smart enough to choose what needs to be chosen.
I don't believe I'm an outsider. I belong to Chandigarh. I've studied here. I have played for India from here. I am a Chandigarh girl. I have home here, my parents, my sister, and I come here all the time. I mean, एक लड़की अगर विदा होकर अपने ससुराल चली जाती है तो मायके वाले उसे भूलकर उसे आउटसाइडर नहीं कहते.
Star power works like magic in India, and the general public throng their campaigns if only to come face to face with their favorite celebrities. Gul Panag was recently spotted biking her way through busy Varanasi streets to support AAP. Gul has also been super active on Twitter, be it promoting herself and her party or trashing reports of being attacked at one of her campaigns in Varanasi. This former beauty queen turned politician is aiming for a make or break effort. Javed Jafri was also seen slogging hard on the sets of Lucknow constituency to win a berth to parliament. Going flat out to connect with the armed voter and doing all that it takes to get rid of the outsider tag, Javed insists he doesn't see himself as alien to Lucknow and is extremely serious about his commitment.
See, actually, we don't consider ourselves stars. We are Aam Aadmi. We have come here as the Aam Aadmi. I am also a contestant from Lucknow. So it's not that I have just come here. I'm a contestant. I'm with the party. I believe in their principles. I've come here to promote and support them. They fear us. Now they are fearing us. They are desperate attempts to clutch on to straws. That's what they are doing, these parties, especially the BJP and Congress in Amethi. I'm seeing that, and people are saying it, that this is so obvious that there is a fear. Why are they fearing? Fight a normal, a legitimate battle, and that's the way it is. Arvind has been going to little homes in villages. I went with one. Some corner, remote, nobody's even been there. Not even like one representative had been there. And that's why Arvind is hitting the ground.
BJP Mathura nominee and Bollywood dream girl Hema Malini claims that she has some grand plans about bringing up land development in the city. The actress was seen participating in full-blown road shows and connecting with her fans and followers.
We are very straightforward, simple people. The artists, the kalakar, jitne bhi hain. We don't know the crooked way and all. But when we are with the people, because we are always in the people's, in the middle of the people, as an artist. So when we come here in this position also, we are able to connect ourselves very well with the people. And they have got a lot of love and affection for us. They don't see us as a politician. So whatever is their grievances which the politicians have not done it, they will, because we are very close to the people, The moment they see me, they feel, oh, I know, Hema is very, she's ours, because they keep watching me in the film and all. That connectivity is there, which the other politicians don't have. That is why we have done a lot of work, but we are not the people to keep doing big publicity and all. Like Vinodji has done a lot of work in his constituency, and Dharamji has done, Shatruji has done. These are the three people from our BJP we are here.
The Bollywood actor and the BJP candidate for Ahmedabad East Lok Sabha constituency Paresh Rawal feels uncomfortable doing long rounds of film promotions. He looked at total ease when it came to propagate his and his party's political agenda.
पहले ही मैं कह चुका हूं कि आप देख रहे हैं फिल्म स्टार को, लेकिन सुन रहे हैं एक सुलझे हुए उम्मीदवार को, एक जिम्मेदार उम्मीदवार को। मैं यहाँ पे फिल्मी डायलॉग मारने नहीं आया हूँ, बड़ी जिम्मेदारी के एहसास के साथ मैं यहाँ पे आया हूँ, तो ये फिल्मी डायलॉग मैं यहाँ पे नहीं मारूंगा।
Adding more dose of glamour, item girl Rakhi Sawant is also contesting elections as an independent candidate from Mumbai Northwest constituency and trusts Rakhi to sensationalize everything she does. Known for her unabashed attitude and spicy one-liners, Miss Sawant was seen unleashing the drama queen in her in the political arena too. Not just Bollywood actors, many singers and regional stars too are out there adding the much required starry tadka to the heat of the great Indian elections. And we will decode their star power and appeal on the other side of this very short break.
प्यार बांटते चलो, प्यार बांटते चलो, हे प्यार बांटते चलो, प्यार बांटते चलो, क्या हिंदू क्या मुसलमान हम सब हैं भाई भाई, प्यार बांटते चलो, प्यार बांटते चलो. And then the signature namaskar.
I love you শ্রীরামপুর, আমরা আমি ভালোবাসি শ্রীরামপুরকে.
The expectations from Bapida, BJP's candidate from Srirampur, are almost as heavy as his gold chains. The BJP is hoping that the man who had his last big come up by crooning for the dirty picture can draw the crowds and votes as well.
अटल जी को प्रणाम, आडवाणी जी को प्रणाम, राजनाथ जी को सपने होंगे साकार, मोदी जी करेंगे भारत में चमत्कार, मोदी जी करेंगे भारत में चमत्कार. वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम.
His unabashed Modi love from the word go makes him an automatic favorite with traders. And his loud, in-your-face personality can only make a high-voltage campaign all the more memorable. Other singers who are fighting the election battle are the AAP contenders from Punjab, Ravi Shergill, who enters the battle in the phenomenally fraught constituency of Amritsar. The soft-spoken Sardar enjoys a massive fan following for his mellow blend of Sufi music and is pitted against two serious heavyweights, Arun Jaitley and Captain Amrinder Singh. Singer Babul Supriyo is BJP's contender from Asansol. And he too is out there giving whatever it takes to connect with the public and making his presence felt.
My job as a singer has always been to connect with my audience, to gain their trust as a singer, to entertain them, to make them believe that, you know, if it is the 1st of January and a show of mine has been announced on the 20th of January, then they should buy tickets because they should be confident that, you know, Babullah is going to give them a good evening. So similarly in politics, I think it is about connecting with the same people who have actually put me on stage and made me, given me the star status as you said, which has definitely driven me to get this opportunity from BJP. I'm very thankful to them and probably give something back to them in terms of you know doing something for them and representing my own state at the center.
From the Bhojpuri cinema comes popular faces like Ravi Kishan and Manoj Tiwari. Jaunpur Ka Beta is not a new film of actor Ravi Kishan, who's contesting on a Congress ticket from Jaunpur, but what the Bhojpuri superstar calls himself as he makes an attempt to regain this seat in which his party has not made a comeback since 1984. Bhojpuri singer and actor Manoj Tiwari is contesting on a BJP ticket from Northeast Delhi.
कि भारत माता है पीड़ा में और यह पीड़ा की मूरत है, सारा देश पुकार रहा है, बस मोदी की जरूरत है.
Also harboring a political dream is actor turned politician Nagma. And while she might have failed to make a big difference in her filming career, she is going all out while promoting her political agenda.
Narendra Modi confused गया है एक बार, बौरा गया एक बार. कभी वो धमकी देता है, कभी वो समझाने की कोशिश करता है, लेकिन वो क्या कर रहा है उसको खुद नहीं पता। वो कभी कहता है कि अपनी हद में रहो, कभी कहता है कि मैं आऊंगा तो देख लेना, कभी कहता है कि प्रियंका मेरी बेटी है, और दिन रात सबके उनके परिवार को गालियां देता है, उनकी माँ को, उनके भाई को। कभी कहता है गंगा मुझे बुला रही है, कभी कोई बुला रहा है, कभी कोई बुला रहा है, कभी किसी महिला के पीछे कोई दूसरे प्रशासन का, दूसरे स्टेट की पूरी पुलिस फौज लगा देता है, और फिर सबके सामने देश का प्रधानमंत्री बनने का नौटंकी कर रहा है।
Almost every political party has made sure that they have ample amount of filmy faces on their candidate list to make sure maximum amount of exposure and fan connect. But the party with the most star-studded list, however, is Trinamool Congress. The Mamata Banerjee-led party has Suchitra Sen's daughter Munmun Sen fighting from Bankura, Sandhya Sen from Midnapur, Biswajit from New Delhi, Superstar Dev from Ghatal, and singers Soumitra Roy and Indraneel Sen, among others.
Main factor is that the CPM have not worked here in 34 years. Everyone has been tom-tomming Basudeva Acharya, but I went to his village and I could not believe how poor and neglected it was. I mean, not even compared to Bankura. So if he hasn't been working, he doesn't deserve any votes. His party doesn't deserve any votes. And Trinamool has worked, and I think they want a fresh face, and they've got a fresh face. They believe that I am going to come back to them over and over again. So I think that's it.
Well, people from various walks of life are now showing interest in political system and are curious about how we are governed. Entertainment industry and film stars are no exception. It has many smart achievers who are interested in political establishments. And as we have short-term governments for 5 years, it is important for the parties to get instant recognition and connect with the Janta. Film stars have that appeal, and that potential has been tapped, and how? With Bureau Inputs, Entertainment Bureau headlines today.